Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. System restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to date of a previous point in time, which can be used to recover from system malfunctions or other problem. Let me show you how would you create it. You can type in the computer search bar restore point. Here in the system protection, you should go to local disk C, click over it, click configure, turn on system protection. Now click apply, OK. And now you can see that a tab that looks great before is now activated. Click over it, create. Here you can give a name to your restore point. And now you can click create. Now the system is creating a restore point. Now you can see the restore point was created successfully. Click close, click OK. Now if you have installed some software or some other problem popped up in your computer and you want to restore the computer to a previous state, you just need to type again in the search bar restore, create a restore point, and here you see system restore. Click over it. Now restore system files and setting, click next. And here you can see a restore point December. Click over it and scan for affected programs, and it would bring back your computer to a previous state when there was no problem in your computer and when there was no software installed. I hope you have learned about creating a restore point in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.